Are you currently struggling financially? Are you finding yourself in need of money to pay for your meals, groceries, your rent, or mortgage payments? Or maybe you are looking for some funds to finance that travel vacation you have always dreamt of. Or you might just have a business idea that can turn your life around, but sadly, you do not have the funds to get started. Buckle up, because in this video, I am going to share with you at least 10 websites where rich and kind people are willing to give you free money without any strings attached. Now, quickly before we get started, let me remind you that I am not advocating for any dishonest behavior by sharing these websites with you. I believe in the principle of hard, earnest, and honest earnings. But just in case you encounter a situation where you genuinely need financial assistance, the first website where you will be able to get money from rich or kind people is called cyberbeg.com. Cyberbeg.com is the original site for cyberbegging and crowdfunding online. The site provides a way for financially unfortunate people to connect with people who are willing to assist. All you do in order to get people to give you the money, you simply click here where it says beg. Next, you create an account by clicking here and filling in these boxes. After that, you then describe your situation and plead with people around the world to come to your financial rescue. For example, this one says, "I need help paying bills and debts." And below that, they have described their situation and why they need the money. This one is from a single dad who is trying to make ends meet and to provide for his son. He goes on to describe his situation and how that any donations may help him regain financial control. You can see here that a lot of people are still posting on this website looking for financial assistance, and you too can make use of this website if you need money. Founded in 2009, beggingmoney.com is a platform that has been dedicated to helping individuals in financial need by providing them with a space to share their personal stories and seek financial assistance. Over the years, the website has served a substantial user base of over 20,000 individuals, connecting them with compassionate donors willing to contribute towards their causes. The process of using beggingmoney.com is very simple, yet impactful. Users are encouraged to create a personal webpage where they can describe their unique circumstances, explaining why they need financial support. By sharing their stories and expressing their needs, individuals have the opportunity to appeal to the empathy and generosity of others who visit the site. While the outcomes may vary for each person, there have been remarkable success stories on beggingmoney.com. For instance, one inspiring story involved a woman who aspired to pursue nursing school but lacked the necessary funds. Through the power of her story and the support of the community, she received generous donations that not only covered her educational expenses but also provided her with a fresh start on her path to a better future. In another heartwarming case, a single mother with 3 children found herself burdened with a debt exceeding $40,000 following the sudden death of her husband. By sharing her story on beggingmoney.com, she touched the hearts of many who felt compelled to help. The response was overwhelming, with donations pouring in. The financial support she received not only allowed her to eliminate her debt, but also provided her family with the means to regain stability and move forward in their lives. While it's important to acknowledge that results can vary, the platform has proven to be a valuable resource for those seeking financial assistance and support in times of crisis or personal challenges. By the way, before we check out the rest of these sites, remember to like this video and to subscribe to this channel. In the comments below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country below for more videos that work in your area. The next website where you can get rich or kind people to give you money is called justgiving.com. JustGiving.com is a well-established global online fundraising platform that serves as a social hub for individuals and charities worldwide. With its extensive reach, it provides a convenient and effective way to support various causes and make a positive impact. On JustGiving.com, users have the flexibility to engage in different types of fundraising activities. You can opt to raise funds for a charitable organization, contributing to their important work and initiatives. Additionally, you have the option to make regular monthly donations to support a specific charity of your choice. This recurring commitment allows for sustained support and helps charities plan their activities more effectively. Moreover, JustGiving.com empowers individuals to create their own fundraising campaigns for personal causes or projects close to their hearts. Whether it's a charitable event, a personal challenge, or a creative venture, you can utilize the platform to rally support and raise funds funds for your unique cause. To start using JustGiving.com, the process is straightforward. You can begin by clicking on the designated blue button, which will guide you to a sign-up form. By completing this form, you can create an account and unlock the full range of features and resources available on the platform. JustGiving.com offers a user-friendly interface and a secure system that facilitates seamless and transparent transactions. The next website where you can also get money is called GoGetFunding.com. This platform is dedicated to helping individuals, groups, and organizations raise funds for various personal causes. It provides users with an effective and user-friendly way to gather financial support for anything that matters to them. GoGetFunding.com has gained a reputation as one of the best online fundraising platforms available. It offers a range of powerful tools, features, and personal support to maximize fundraising efforts. Whether you're looking to cover medical expenses, support charitable initiatives, pursue personal projects, or even fund educational needs like this father who raised over $3,000 for his son's education, GoGetFunding.com can assist you in reaching your goals. The platform's advantages include easy and quick setup, allowing users to create their fundraising page within minutes and start accepting donations right away. Since its establishment in 2011, GoGetFunding.com has helped thousands of people from all over the world raise millions of dollars online. One notable aspect of GoGetFunding.com is its low platform fee of only 4%, ensuring that donors' contributions are maximized and not burdened by excessive fees. Additionally, the website provides access to expert fundraising coaches who offer personalized campaign support, enhancing the chances of success. GoGetFunding.com goes beyond just providing a fundraising platform. It offers innovative sharing features that help campaigners reach a wider audience, extending their reach and increasing the likelihood of attracting more donors. The platform supports fundraising campaigns in every major currency and is available globally, making it accessible to individuals and organizations around the world. The next website where you can also get free money is called Fundly.com. Fundly.com is a dedicated online fundraising platform that provides you with the tools and support you need to raise money for any cause you may have. Whether you're looking to raise funds for clubs and communities, disaster relief efforts, special events, memorials and funerals, schools and education, or even sports and teams, Fundly has got you covered. On Fundly, there are numerous successful fundraising campaigns that have already garnered impressive results. For instance, one individual has raised approximately $1,000 from generous well-wishers. Similarly, another campaign has surpassed the $1,000 mark, and yet another has raised close to $2,000 through donations. To get started on Fundly, simply click this button here, and on the next page, you can choose whether you want to start a campaign for yourself as an individual or for an organization. Once your campaign is set up, potential donors visiting the platform will be able to see and support your cause by making donations. Fundly provides a platform that connects fundraisers with donors, allowing people to contribute and help support your cause. If you have been dreaming of going on a trip or vacation, but you need help funding and budgeting for the trip, then look no further than FundMyTravel.com. FundMyTravel.com is a website dedicated to making it easy for anyone to fulfill their travel dreams. Whether you're planning a leisure trip, a work-related journey, a study abroad experience, volunteering abroad, or dealing with family emergencies, FundMyTravel.com is there to assist you. By scrolling down on their website to their featured campaigns section, you can see some of their popular campaigns that are currently active. For instance, Anna, a traveler, has already raised over $1,000 towards her goal of $4,500, which she needs to travel to destinations such as Tokyo, Japan, London, and Canada. Alyssa Reich also has managed to raise about $800 to support the improvement of access to quality healthcare in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. These are just a few examples of the many individuals who are finding great success in funding their travel aspirations through Fund My Travel. With the support and contributions of donors, people like Anna and Alyssa are making their travel dreams a reality. You too can finally get to experience your dream vacation or trip come true. If you are looking for funding for your next business idea, whether it's a startup or a large enterprise, Fundable.com is the ideal platform for you. This website provides a comprehensive fundraising platform specifically designed for entrepreneurs like you to connect with credible investors and customers who are interested in supporting your new products or services. Fundable.com has a proven track record of success, as demonstrated by the recently funded companies featured on the platform. These companies have been able to raise millions of dollars in funds from enthusiastic investors and customers. For instance, Awkward Essentials, a company revolutionizing women's hygiene products found in CVS stores nationwide, raised $2 million. Resolve Medical Bills, a powerful technology helping users save millions on medical bills, raised $5 $5,200,000. TravelMate Robotics, offering a fully autonomous robot assistant and self-moving suitcase, raised $2,216,900 among others. Over the course of a decade, Fundable.com has facilitated the raising of over $570 million in funding from a network of more than 20,000 credible investors. This demonstrates the platform's ability to connect entrepreneurs with the financial resources they need to turn their business ideas into reality. To get started on Fundable.com, simply click this button, which says Get Started, and then create your profile, outlining your unique business idea, set your desired funding goal, and then share your campaign with potential investors who are interested in supporting innovative ventures like yours. The next website we have is eBeggars.com. This platform is designed to simplify the process of begging for money. As soon as you visit their website, it becomes evident that their goal is to make it incredibly easy for individuals to seek financial assistance. On eBeggars.com, you'll find a large community of people who are in need of help and are actively searching for generous and compassionate individuals willing to lend a hand. The website serves as a platform to connect those seeking financial support with potential donors who are willing to contribute. To begin sharing your story and requesting assistance on eBeggars.com, all you need to do is click on the Beg Now button. This will lead you to a simple process where you can create an account and share your personal circumstances and financial struggles. Once your story is published, kind-hearted individuals who visit the website can choose to donate money directly to your PayPal account, providing you with the financial support you need. eBeggars.com aims to facilitate a seamless and user-friendly experience for both those seeking help and those willing to offer assistance. By leveraging the platform's features, you can connect with compassionate individuals who are ready to make a positive impact on someone's life by providing financial aid. Now, the next platform on our list is a very popular one, and I actually know several people who have used this to successfully raise money and start their businesses. The website is called Kickstarter.com. Kickstarter.com is a renowned crowdfunding platform specifically designed for creative projects. It caters to a wide range of categories, including arts, comics and illustration, design and tech, film, food and craft, games, music, and publishing. Whatever your project may be, Kickstarter.com is the perfect website to seek funding and bring your innovative ideas to life. As an entrepreneur or creator, you can launch a campaign on Kickstarter.com to seek funding for your project. What makes Kickstarter.com unique is that backers or supporters who come across your project can offer tangible rewards or even experiences in exchange for their pledges. This creates a mutually beneficial relationship between creators and backers. Kickstarter.com boasts an impressive track record. They have successfully funded over 240,000 projects, raising a total of $7.5 billion. With over 90 million pledges processed, Kickstarter.com has proven to be a reliable platform for creators to connect with potential backers and investors. To get started on Kickstarter.com, simply click on the Start a Project button. This will lead you to a page where you can provide all the necessary details about your project, set a funding goal, and offer enticing rewards to attract potential backers or investors. By leveraging the power of Kickstarter.com, you increase the probability of securing the funding you need to turn your creative vision into reality. Now, the last website on our list, which is incredibly popular for fundraising purposes, is called GoFundMe.com. Founded in 2010, GoFundMe.com has established itself as one of the largest and most successful fundraising platforms on the internet. To date, it has facilitated the raising of over $25 billion through the platform. With a staggering number of over 200 million individual donations made, GoFundMe.com is a trusted and widely used platform for fundraising campaigns. In fact, the platform receives at least one donation every single second, highlighting its immense popularity and reach. GoFundMe.com is the ideal place to raise funds for causes that matter to you, whether you are an individual, a group, or an organization. The platform caters to a wide range of needs, providing a space for personal fundraisers, celebrations, graduations, accidents, illnesses, and more. Millions of people have turned to GoFundMe.com to seek financial support during times of difficulty and to rally their communities behind their causes. To set up your fundraising campaign on GoFundMe.com, all you have to do is to click on this button here. This will lead you to the next page where you can create and specify the details of your campaign initiative. GoFundMe.com provides a user-friendly interface that allows allows you to customize your campaign, share your story, set a fundraising goal, and engage with potential donors. By utilizing the power of GoFundMe.com, individuals and organizations have successfully garnered support from a vast network of compassionate individuals who are eager to make a positive impact. Start your campaign on GoFundMe.com today and tap into the potential for widespread community support and financial assistance. When using these platforms, remember to be sincere, honest, and genuinely in need. While success isn't guaranteed, a compelling pitch and clear expression of your need may attract support. Thank you for liking this video. Be sure to smash the subscribe button below so that you do not miss out on our next upload.